Hi, my name is Dr. George Xu. I'm a pediatrician and pediatric emergency medicine physician. As someone who has dedicated their whole career to the health of children, and as a father to 2 young children myself, as you can probably guess, the topic of child safety is something that is near and dear to my heart. But did you know, every day, thousands of children across the country and around the world suffer from child abuse, especially by the people who are supposed to take care of them. I know that child abuse is a subject none of us want to talk about, which is one of the reasons why it continues to happen, because we remain silent. But don't click away yet, because whether we acknowledge it or not, the numbers for child abuse are staggering and will keep happening if we remain silent.
What's even more troubling is that 1 in 7 children have experienced abuse in the past year. But the problem goes much deeper. Every day, an estimated 5 children die as a result of inflicted abuse. That's 5 children every day. But as healthcare providers, we can do better. Many studies suggest early identification is one of the keys to reducing the number of cases of child abuse. But unfortunately, according to some studies, 20 to 30% of the cases of an initial encounter of child abuse that come into the ER are missed. Imagine how many children could be saved if we would have had a better idea, a better way of detecting abuse, of knowing beforehand. One of the biggest challenges doctors experience is not having a unified system where information can be sent from hospital to hospital. It's time for us to make a change.
It's difficult to imagine, but with all the technology we have today, hospitals don't have a better system for managing child abuse cases. Yet the average person with a smartphone can send a text or a tweet to just about anybody in the world at any point in time. There's something seriously wrong with that, and we can't be silent about it anymore.
We have to discuss it. We have to bring it into the light so we can do something about it. We can't be silent anymore.
Medicine and science can tell us a lot about the health and well-being of a child. But if our information is not shared with other hospitals and government agencies, we're limiting the protection these children need. Science is not about silence. It's about collaboration and sharing. We can't be silent anymore.
Think about this for a second. What happens to an abused child if instead of being brought to our hospital, they're brought to a different one instead? Unfortunately, that hospital may not have enough historical information to make the clear diagnosis of abuse. This is where the lack of communication perpetuates the cycle of abuse, and that child continues to suffer in silence.
We need to stop the silence.
What hospitals need is a secure and transparent platform that supports data integration, monitoring, and validation.
The ability to provide data sharing and collaboration in a secure manner is the key. This is why we created iguardian. iguardian is a cloud-based platform that secures data and provides information to the providers caring for these children in crisis in real time. iguardian protects the child's information and validates the users of the system to ensure privacy and data integrity. With iguardian, information regarding the child can now be available across the country for all providers caring for these patients in real time for early identification and early intervention.
iGuardian is a nonprofit organization focused on child abuse prevention. We are a team of clinical, technical, legal, and advocacy professionals dedicated to providing innovative solutions to help in the fight against child abuse. Leveraging iSolve's advanced digital ledger technology, we plan to provide integrated data to hospitals and law enforcement agencies to help improve outcomes.
But we need help because we can't stay silent anymore.
Child abuse prevention is a really tough challenge. But with your help, we can stop the silence. Click on the link below to find out how you can help. Remember, without your participation and support, abused children will never have a voice, and the silence will continue. So please click below and help iGuardian eliminate the silence of child abuse worldwide. My name is Dr. George Hsu. Thank you for watching.